morning, little Honeypaw woke up in his soft, cozy bed in the forest. When he opened his eyes, he felt so excited. Today was a very special day. It was his first day at school. Honeypaw really wanted to go to school, but he was a little nervous too. What if nobody wants to play with me? He wondered. But then he took a deep breath and smiled. His mom gave him a big warm hug and said, "You'll do great, Honeypaw." Honeypaw put on his colorful backpack and walked into the forest. His heart was beating fast with excitement. The school was somewhere among the tall trees. Yellow leaves swirled in the wind as he walked. When he arrived, he stood under a big oak tree. Everything looked new and a little scary. But Honeypaw told himself, "I can do this." He opened the school door and stepped inside. In the first lesson, Honeypaw learned all about nature. Mr. Owl, the teacher, told fun stories about trees, flowers, and animals. Honeypaw loved it. He listened closely and felt so curious about everything. Outside, he could hear the wind and birds singing. School is so much fun, he thought. At lunchtime, Honeypaw sat down and took out his honey sandwich from his backpack. But he felt a little lonely eating by himself. Then he looked at the friend sitting next to him and said, "Would you like some of my sandwich?" They shared the food, and Honeypaw felt so happy. Sharing is so nice, he thought. Every bite tasted even better because he shared it with a friend. When the day ended, Honeypaw thought about everything he had learned and felt really proud. School was amazing. His mom came to pick him up, and Honeypaw told her all about his day. His eyes sparkled with joy as he talked about the new friends he made and the fun lessons he had. Honeypaw couldn't wait to wake up the next morning and learn even more.